What would you do if you got really sick or into a car accident and you weren't able to work and so you lost your income? I just got disabled again. My disability came back after getting better for 4 years, and I've had to cancel everything, and I haven't been able to work in like 7 weeks. And not only am I unable to earn any money by trading my time for it, I'm not able to spend time with my kids. And my wife has to do everything. And I want you to ask yourself, what would you do if you got sick or into an accident? Because no one ever plans on that. Do you have disability insurance? I don't. Most people don't. Life insurance is standard, but not disability. Nobody protects their income. But at least I have been building my online business for the last 8 months, and I am confident that my skills and my education are going to be my disability income policy, because I know how to connect buyers and sellers online and collect commissions as the middleman. If you want to protect your income, if you want to build a plan B so that, God forbid, something happens to you and you can't work, you will have the skills to be able to support yourself from the comfort of your laptop from home. So click the link that you see near this video and register for the video series that is seriously saving my life and saving my family's income. And I pray for you, and I will help you. I will show you everything I know, and I will help you, because if I can do it while disabled and in constant pain, I know that you can. I will help you. My name is Matt Nathanson, and damn it, I will not allow my life to be destroyed by some stupid accident. I will not allow it. And if you will not allow your life to be subject to circumstances out of your control, let me help you. Click the link below the video and register for the video series, and I will see you soon on the other side. God bless you.